is what I want for my channel, guys. I've lost it. This guy has got a drone. He's got a camera on the front of it. This is absolutely what I could do with my filming, guys. It's filming me. Filming him. Oh wow. What do you think, guys? Is this what Benidorm Scooter Sue's channel needs? Definitely. The control as well. So what do you think, guys? Do you think that I need one of these for my channel? Definitely. Imagine the videos that you could get with one of those. And it all folds down. And it folds down and it goes into its own little case. Just imagine the views that you could get, videos.